This video tutorial I will explain what is CDN. CDN is nothing but Content Delivery Network. Imagine you ordered a package online and instead of seller sending package directly to your home, they first send it to local distribution center which is closer to your neighborhood. This distribution center holds many products and it is strategically located to quickly deliver items to your doorstep. In the world of internet, CDN is somewhat like the distribution center. When you visit the website, like watching videos or viewing images, the content does not always comes directly from the website main server, which could be located far away. Instead, the CDN acts as a network of many servers spread across different locations worldwide. So when you access the website that uses CDN, the content is stored on these various servers in the CDN network. Content is nothing but images, videos, or even the website itself. So when you request to view something, the CDN figures out which server is closest to you. And instead of fetching data from the website's main server, which might be far away, it receives it from the nearest server in the CDN. This process makes the content load faster and more efficiently. In simple terms, CDN is like network of super fast delivery centers for the internet content, which ensure that when you browse or use the website, the stuff you want to see loads quickly because it is stored closer to you in these server centers. Here you can see the server which is in USA and it has Netflix content. Here you can see the server which is in India and it has Netflix content as per the CDN concept. And here you can see the user and the user is in India. And if user wants to see the Netflix content, then the user should connect to the server which is located in India so that the user will get the content quickly and efficiently as per the CDN concept. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.